Hi guys, Simple Techniques. So another follow through from my video when I replaced my game drive, my game SSD. You noticed on that video that Forza Horizon take quite some time to load up. That was because I was trying to test out my core clock and memory clock adjustments at MSI Afterburner, because I think any adjustment here goes to affect how your games will load up, and of course your temps during game and your FPS. So just to give a quick show, I'm currently using these settings at 800. I'm getting 1700 megahertz, and I'm currently testing this to game, but just to show, just to share. So compared to that video, I think I've been like running the game for about more than 1 minute just to load Forza Horizon 5. This adjustment has so far given me a better result in terms of the load speed versus the game temps while playing, plus the FPS. And for this app, you can really make use of it to set a certain clock speed where your machine can still perform better in terms of temperature, and you won't lose too much of the FPS. Because for me, normally when I play, I typically try to stay more than 90 FPS, because it's it's quite disappointing if it's like you got a 165 hertz screen but you can't maintain a high FPS, I would say. um I definitely want to see my system running 165 FPS at all times if possible, but if not, at least 90. At least 90 would be very acceptable. So yeah, here you go. As you can see, my game loaded faster this time compared to the ending of the previous video that I have uploaded. And for this, you can fine tune your MSI, your graphics card via MSI Afterburner to hit your kind of sweet spot. So for me, as you can see, I'm over 90 FPS. Of course, some portions of the map I may drop depending on like the situation, how many other players are in the vicinity. But at least I'm getting what I wanted, 90 FPS. So if you're curious what's the settings of this, here's my settings. For audio, for video, it's all unlocked. In terms of frame rate, HDR is on, vertical sync is off. The rest is just off. And then on graphics, I selected high, because if I go ultra or I go extreme, sometimes I do get the message of the VRAM is not enough. So yeah, I prefer to make sure that when I game, I don't encounter such things. So yeah, hope you find this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. It's just a quick sharing of why was my game loading so slow compared to normal. Is because I'm trying to play around with the MSI Afterburner to find a sweet spot for my GPU. Okay, thank you and goodbye.